Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Midjourney for generating AI content here. Make sure you've signed up. To subscribe, you do need to. It's 10 per month. But here you can generate a bunch of really cool items. As you can see, there's just a lot you can choose from. For instance, like this one is pretty cool. So selected, it's this prompt. You can copy the prompt. You can adjust the prompt as well here. I guess you can change the image. You can also select create here, but as you can see, you'll need to sign up. There's also a Midjourney image editor as well here. And yeah, there's just a bunch of options that you can choose from, like this one, super cute, A Midsummer's Night Dream. Here is where you can, I guess, add your own image if you want this kind of style. It's super cute. There's also, you can also like scroll instead here. And for instance, oh, that's creepy. Like this, like add your, I don't know, fish, and to use the text, just press on it and then it's going to type in the prompt up here. Select your image and then press generate, but again, you do need to subscribe. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.